Now these guys were like dead on, perfect, clean, perfect, professional, everything. Product is working great.
Okay.
First of all, the way it sold, I was at the mall with my wife.
Danbury Mall.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they're, you guys got that set up, and this water's cascading, and it's doing what it's supposed to, right? And I'm going, this is pretty wild. I gotta check this out. Because I've called other places, the idiot mesh screens. I don't know what you call all those things.
Right, it's still maintenance. You still got to go up there and
unjam them.
Yeah.
Right. So I never did these. I got quotes from 2 of them. And I was like, damn, all this shit. What am I gonna get out of it?
Right.
When I saw this, I had to study it. I talked to the sales guy there, and he goes, "Oh, what do you think? You want somebody to come check it out?" I'm going, this is the only thing I've ever seen that has engineering sense in it.
It does.
And he said, well, here's how it works. And he explained it, and he said, here's what they're going to do, and this is like thin aluminum, but it has Teflon. And Teflon, I'm thinking, okay, what's going to stay on Teflon? Nothing. Why did they use Teflon?
Facts.
So that's why I said, damn, get out here.